IKEA trips. This literally came straight out of Pinterest. Welcome back. So today I'm gonna go to IKEA with Shar and I kind of want to buy a new shelf. I just want to move that area to the closet, take away this plant probably, take away those leaves and put a new painting up here and a new shelving. I was at IKEA the other day though, so I kind of already know which shelf I want, but I do want some decoration. I probably should have bought some on Amazon. It's cheaper. Also, this is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing this like triangle. It's actually like a headpiece. I just used it as a top today. It's cute. And then I'm wearing my shorts from Princess Polly. These are my favorite shorts. And just some Air Forces. This is giving serious underboob. Anyways, we're gonna go pick up Shar. Hopefully my car has enough space for the shelving thing, but it's not that big, so hopefully. Because my trunk is like completely full. I can't put shit in my trunk right now. We're at IKEA. Anyways, I'm getting this white shelf. I would show you guys it, but you guys are literally on it. This one. Anyways. We're gonna just IKEA trips. This headscarf though, my titty is about to fall out. Alright, so I look crusty, but today I'm handy dandy Sandy. So we're gonna be putting up my shelf finally, and I got some stuff that I bought on Amazon, so we're gonna be like unboxing it. Before we do all that, I'm like super hungry, so I'm gonna make some Alfredo. Do any of you guys have picky dogs where all they eat are freaking like the good stuff? I swear my dog is so picky that she doesn't even eat kibble anymore. Like she only eats it if it's like the wet food. She bougie. Kind of like me. My Clommy bear is so crusty. She needs a bath really bad. Let's boil some water. Oh shit, I didn't put water in it. Wondering why I'm doing, you know, the new shelving and stuff. One thing about me is if I'm bored, I'm gonna change up my apartment. It's just something I do. I don't know why. Welcome to Unboxing with Sandy. Firstly, I've got some books. They're like home decor books, so they're not actual real books. They're just boxes that look like books. Cute. Can they open? I could hide stuff in here. They don't open though, but I also got these two. I thought these would be cute. This one's a Dior one, and then this one's a Coco Chanel one. This one's cute because it's like light pink. I love it. Miss Princess Diana. This one's like definitely more pink. I don't read books though, so. Also got this vase. I have no flowers to put it in. I have no flowers to put inside it, but it's okay. I'm just gonna kind of just have it as decor. Also, I told you guys in a recent video that after I move out of this place, I have no idea where I'm going. Like, I'm debating if I want to move back in with my parents or if I want to do something else, get another apartment, or if I want to buy a house. I'm kind of just like in a pickle because I kind of want to just do what is best for my future, you know? So I feel like moving into a new apartment is kind of just like, it's just a waste of money. Like, I've done it for the past 2 years and stuff, and I feel like it was like a good experience, but I was like, if I move back in with my parents, like I can save so much money and like use that money to like, who knows, maybe I'll just buy a fixer-upper. Oh my god, this smells good. I got this little shell candle. I was on Pinterest and just trying to find what people use to decorate, and so I saw a shell candle and I thought that was cute. Look at that. Y'all cannot tell me. This literally came straight out of Pinterest. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do, actually, I gotta clear out this section here. This is going all in my closet. now we're gonna set up my shelf. It's not huge or anything. It's actually quite small, medium, but I thought it would be cute here. So we're gonna open and assemble this. Hopefully it's not hard. I low-key love this empty. It feels like an empty ass apartment, but we're gonna do some decorations. Anyways guys, I think at the end of my videos, I'm gonna do like a post notification shout out. I used to do that, but I stopped doing it, but I'm gonna start doing it again. Whoever comments within the first like 5 comments, one of you guys will get a post notification shout out at the end of all my videos. So make sure you guys turn on post notifications. That way you never miss a video and you can get a shout out. Done building her. She's a little skinny. I have a big old painting. I'm gonna throw it up here. Doesn't look bad. Honestly, I think it looks better than what I used to have there because the jewelry and stuff that was there, it looks kind of messy. So I wanted to keep that in the closet, but this would be more like decor. I think it'll look really good. Okay, my lips are so dry, guys. I have eczema on my top lip. Every year I get eczema at least somewhere in my body. It's different every year. Sometimes I get it here, on my eye. This year I got it on my neck. Can you guys tell that dark? I have it on my neck this year and it goes all the way back. Last year I had it right here, but this year it went to the back of my neck, and then I have it on the top lip, this, and here. So freaking dry. I mean, my lips still look good, but girl, they're so dry. Wait, actually, I should put the painting up. Like if I put this here and I put the painting up, this is gonna break, right? These are freaking huge. So I have this picture frame that I could put one of the paintings in, and then I have this big old one, which this was the one I was planning to put up here. Okay. Am I not capable or what? This is the one I'm gonna put here. I paid $5 or $6 on Etsy for the digital version, and then I just printed it out at Walmart about this one. And I'm probably gonna put this like somewhere else in the apartment. But for right now, let's figure out this area. Where it said divine femininity, but that's okay. She's looking cute. The sun's reflection is so annoying. Already love it. I love pink, so I'm glad there's more pink over here now. Now I'm gonna decorate this. I hate that you can see like the sun's reflection or the light's reflection. Yes! Oh my god. Spectacular. I finally have something aesthetic in my apartment. Oh my gosh. Guys, we've come a really long way. Chef's kiss. It looks so good. Wow. 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 And this was all it took. This was the only consequence. Look at how freaking messy my apartment is now. Wow. Okay, well, that was totally worth it. And I'm so happy. It turned out so good.